Blackbird sitting on the runway. Try to hide a nigga, would be at your place. Have AK take the jar to your brains. AEAG got my niggas going insane. I'm killing niggas out the damn frame. I'm a mystery killer, who the damn blame? Before I killed them, I said happy birthday. Now we in heavy eating all the damn birthday cake. I'm ripping through vines and see what the fine. Say yes, fast so harder than mine. He out of his mind, I break his spine and rip at his eyes. You cannot see me. Haters trying to believe they are better than me. I come your face like acting. I'm harder than you soft niggas, better than you good niggas, wilder than you tame niggas. I come faster than what you came, nigga. RGSG, suicide swag, Rex and his bitch, nigga. Okay. Y'all going out, I'm going in. I've been started, y'all just begin. On the got enemies, I don't need no friends. My brother got that loud back. Call that shit a marching band. Going wild, no Looney Tunes, Red Game, be famous, so stay tuned. Bitch.
Oh no, Blomo, go fast, not slow. Gargle, don't spit, hold, then swallow. Bravo. Okay, JK, SGRG, you can't see me. We be the illest niggas alive. I'ma be bringing noise to the hive. Medina, Cleveland, boy, you niggas soft. I eat you up like Chips Ahoy. Runners be trying to bag me up, but I'm like, bitches, back it up. Chillin' with Donnie, Young Rail, Tyrell, and Coda. High, the last dude look like Yoda. Zooming like a jet with no brakes. If you want that beef, we'll serve you up like cake. Illest gang in Medina, SGRG. If you want that wreck, you know where to find me. Want that loud pack? Then just go see Johnny. Foreign type shit, make you say crikey. Tyler ready for that work, so bring your application. We be getting hoes, so you know these niggas hating. We bust these niggas like masturbation, cause we impatient. Bitch niggas be hiding like migration. You gonna be my ass, well SGRG be awaiting.
Bitch! I thought I had to take Tyrell's move right quick. Yeah.